Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Chill Goat here. Today we are going to do a reaction of a different sports. This is Rally 4, the best scenes of rallying pure sound. This is the title of the video. I've seen a few videos around rallying, drift and all that. I don't know much. I don't know much, to be honest. Before I get any hate comments, I have no idea what this is. I don't know, like, if I really need any knowledge to check this video out. But and meanwhile, if you guys want to flow some information for me, I would love to know. I would love to know more about rallying. This seems like a pretty interesting sport. I've seen a few videos of drifting and all that, but let's just start.
Caution, three right, one on the outside. Now watch this one. Three right, one
Uh,
on the outside, and 80 down. Watch the tires. 80 down.
okay, so there's another guy
Keep it together,
who's.
hold it.
Oh my god.
Watch the cars.
There's another guy who's explaining everything, like how's the roads and everything.
Keep it together now, no.
I was expecting this. Look at that. That's like the road is so slippery. I don't know if it's. Oh man, this guy is saved like by an inch. Holy shit. Oh, people don't sit. Oh, that is what I was telling. Why are you guys sitting so close to the road? Guys, like, save yourself first. Just a quick question. Like, do people die? Like, I know it's a dumb question, but do people die while watching this, while riding this? Because this seems dangerous, to be honest. And is the road always slippery, or like is the dirt, like drift the main thing here? Like in the rallying, you get points not for winning the race, but for you get extra points for drifting. I don't know, but maybe is this like an F1? Is this like a F1? Guys, I'm completely clueless. The road is not all. Dude, you guys would have like died right there. Oh, so there is. What the hell was that? The sound is awesome, to be honest. Uh-oh. The guys went to the field. This is my first time watching this sport, so I'm completely clueless. But wow, what? What? Why did he do that? Bro, he's gonna hit. Oh my god, he just hit another car. I knew that. It looked so funny a few moments ago. Like, look at this. People were laughing. But right after this, everyone was so scared. This kid is crying. Bro. This is too dangerous. I've never seen something like this before. I know it's more about like the sound video, but is that ice? Is that ice? You can't drive on ice like that, guys. What, he's still driving? It's still gonna drive. I'm just mad at this point. Wow. They're driving on the ice. Oh. Whoa, that hit so many people. That hit so many people. This was the front view. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm confirmed that people are gonna die while even while watching this, not just the one who's driving. That was insane. Are they doing these drifts or does this happen because the road is like that? Oh my god. Look at the car, it's like dancing, it's like going here and there. How? Isn't this a normal road or something? Oh, thank God, it's safe. Wow, that was genius. The guy just saved himself. I have too many questions, guys. Damn. The speed is so insane. Look at that. Look at that. Like, even a slight here and there can mess everything up. Because the road is so small and the speed. Oh, that's fire, right? Ford Fiesta R5. Wow. Uh, oh, wow, he just saved himself up. This is honestly crazy. They look like a no. Oh, bro, this car just hit like five people. I wouldn't dare to sit that close, to be honest. Never. After seeing this, I'm never gonna sit like near the road. Holy shit.
100 mètres sans frein à bord pour gauche 2, attention étroit. Frein à bord pour gauche 2 étroit, attention. Putain le frein. Non, non.
Ah. Uh-oh, I hope they survived. Yeah, they did. But that was honestly very hard. Like, it hit so hard. Anything could have happened.
Marshall telling them to move from there.
This is like crazy friends. I'm just talking too much, but still. Boy, what is he trying to do? This was actually awesome. Like, I've never checked any rallying videos before, and this is the first time that I'm ever watching this. So I'm completely like overwhelmed plus shocked plus how could anyone watch this sport? Like, even the people who are watching are like in danger. Like, you saw that, right? I can't I can't watch this like that close, you know. But yeah, this was awesome. Yeah, I'll check this. I'll check more of this. I'll check more of the rallying videos. I think this is interesting. I don't know the rules actually. I don't know the rules of this game. So if you guys have any idea, to let me know. If you guys are watching rallying, if this is your favorite sport, I want to know why is this your favorite sport? Is this because you like people fighting for their life? Is this because you like the cars, the random accidents that you see? I don't know. Sorry for that, but still, I want to know. And if I talked too much in this video, I'm sorry for that. If you wanna, if you want me to check more of rallying videos, do let me know in the comments. Just leave, the links of the video on the comments, or just tell me the title. I'll love to check it out. And yeah, this was pretty interesting. Thank you for recommending me this video, and I'll see you in the next one. For now, bye.